What's up, all you supercar lovers? Look at this F1 special. Look at that bad boy. Ooh-wee. How you get in that? That thing's like a spaceship. Look how cool this thing is, man. We're in another tent. This is another tent that we're gonna go down. Here's another one right here. Bridgestone. An 85 Porsche. Look at that. These cars are famous if you watch those F1 kind of specials. What do we got here? We got a Mustang, a GTO in a great color, a pink Duster. Whoa, what's going on there? It's like it got a 6-cylinder in a pink Duster. Look at that. The Cougar, a 440. Look at that. How's that for a, what is this, Chevelle wagon? Bel Air wagon. Close enough. Look at this paint. Wow, right? Wow. 66 Mustang convertible. Look at this. Painted dashboard. Oh, a blown T-bucket. We got blown T-bucket. Look at that bad boy. Got a 1071. Might be a 1071. I don't know. Boy, B&M doesn't say. All right, let's look at this bad boy. Kind of cool. Oh, look at that CZ Top Special. Look at this. I'm gonna have to go grab my wheels, but look at that McLaren. How's that for a convertible? Come on, man. How much they want for this bad boy? Doesn't say it's that much. It's got a twin turbo 4-liter V8. Wow, right? Wow. All right, let's make our way back to this Porsche over here and go get on the cart because it's too far for me to walk back. I'll walk down. I can't walk back. All right, here we go. There we go. Look at that. That wagon is super nice. Super, super nice. Just when you think you're done with tents, you find another tent. 58 Fairlane. Look at all these custom cars right here. Oh my God, look at this C2. Look at that bad boy. I'm gonna shoot that one. GTO. Ferrari. '55. Charger, 68, 69. There's a Hertz sitting all by itself. Chevelle. Oh, look at that, another one. Another cool ride. It's the same McLaren looking. Ferrari. Oh, look at this. It's a Charger with a Hellcat motor. Look at that. That's everybody's dream. Oh, look at this truck. I mean, come on, man. Look, they got like Hemi plugs coming out the sides. All right, we're going to shoot that truck. How about this Mustang right here? Mustang. GT, Ferrari. Oh, look what we got here sitting in the corner with the mirrors. Look at that. A Daytona. Ooh, we're gonna end right on the Daytona. Look at that. Black with white stripe. Come on, man. Life doesn't get any better than this. See you guys on the next tent. Florida Car Show.